Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol CLOV, which is for Clover Health, and you can see we had a very good day. Like in last 5 days, we went from like $7.7 to almost like $12, which is like a 55% increase in last 5 days. Even just today, the price was up 32%, and even after market, it is up 3.19%. And this is not the end, because this thing will run even more. So in this particular video, I will talk about the price action, the support, resistance, and why it will go higher, some unusual option activity, also why more people are buying on option, and what it is indicating to us, what is the price target in near term. So everything will be discussed in this particular video. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And before I start talking about CLOV, just want to show you something, that my last 4 videos that came yesterday, actually, it was all about AMC, GME, BlackBerry, and I talked about microvision, I talked about CCIV, I talked about BNGO, and look what we did today. BNGO up 22%, AMC up 14%, BlackBerry up 13%, CCIV up 10%, GME 12%, and what else, microvision 10%. So it's a very solid green Monday to start the week. I'm super pumped and so happy that all the prediction I made during the weekend and the way I played as per my plan, we made a lot of money. So again, congratulations whoever is subscribed to this particular channel and made profit. Congratulations. If you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe, because we talk about breakout patterns, support, resistance, and all about technical, so that we can make some money. Anyway, I'm gonna jump to my real video now. So CLOV, you can see that 32% aftermarket, another 3%, and today like it had some resistance around 12. It tried, you see, at first 11.5 area it tried few times, and then it went to the upper one, and the next resistance was around $12. And currently the aftermarket, we are above 12%, and if the pre-market is over 12 tomorrow, I think this thing is set up for a big run. And why I'm saying this, let's look at some facts, then I will come back to the chart and I will talk about the support, resistance, and everything. First of all, we know all the stocks which has a very high short interest, they are really running hard. And if you look at it, it has a 31% short interest, which is really high. AMC has 20%. I think microvision is also like around 20. Then there are some others which has like 31% high short interest. So I'm very interested to see, because as long the share price will go higher and higher, those shorts needs to cover, and the share price will squeeze and it will go even higher and higher. Few other facts, look here, the average volume is like 20 million here, and the today's trade volume is 112 million, almost 5.5 times. You see how many buyers are coming to the market and they are investing or trading CLOV stock. So that is really nice. Compared to 12 million, 112 million, that's a big number, right? Also, if I look at market chameleon, just want to show you the volume today. You see the massive volume came in the morning, then the afternoon, and again end of the day. It was very much consistent. Look at the historic volume. We had some big bars here, and today's bar you can see more than 100, so 112. So more and more volumes are coming, and I think if this thing is continuing, then this thing will explode for sure. Let me show you some other fact. If I go to bar chart and most active options for today, you will see CLOV is at number 5. So AMC, Apple, BlackBerry, Tesla, and number 5 is CLOV. You can see that today's option volume is almost 582,000. So almost 500,000 options were traded. And look at the split, 90% are call volume and only 9% are put volume. So you see a big split. So everyone is betting on call option, and you see how many call options are bought today. So you can sense what is happening behind, right? Same thing, you can go to bar chart and you can look for most unusual option activity. Also look at CLOV here. See CLOV here. So the strike 15 for expiration date July 16. So for July 16, 15 strike price call options have been bought. You see 16,000 call options have been traded today, and still there are 452 open interest left. So these are important things when you look at something, right? So I will come back to the call option, but you can see that how many open interest here. Anyway, I will come back to the call option again, but just want to give you the picture that it has a high short interest of 31%. The share price was up 32% today. Even after hour it is up 3%. And now let's back to the chart, because the chart is telling us even better story, right? So the important one was the resistance around 11.8 or $12 mark. You can see that it was a resistance before it became a support here. It became a resistance here, then it became a support here. After that, we tried once, twice, three times. We could not break it, but today, just because of the volume, we broke through this particular resistance. So that's a good thing, like 11.8. Now we are stuck around $12 area. So $12, I don't see a big one. Again, why I'm saying not a big one, because if I draw a line here, right, let me draw it here. Let me draw it. This is a 1 hour chart. Yeah, so the $12 area is somewhere here, right? So you see, this is 12.1. yeah, I think this is good. So it was some kind of resistance. It was a support here, it became resistance, and now we are looking at here, right? So if I look at the after hour activity, let's go back to the 1 minute chart. You can see after hour how we are moving. The blue bar here, this is the aftermarket. So currently we went up to 12.83, then we came down, but still we are above this particular support. As long we are above this 11.15 area, I think we are good. So what is the next area we will hit some kind of resistance? Let's go back to 1 hour chart again, because I want to show you the real picture. So after that, you see around 13.25, that would be our resistance. It was a resistance at that point, then it became a support here, here, then again it became a resistance here. So once we go higher, definitely it will have a resistance around 13.25. After 13.25, I think this thing is easy to go around $15-16 area. So the chart is looking really nice because the lots of volumes are coming. Aftermarket, we are up. Let me check what is the aftermarket currently. This is like up by 4%, so 12.4, looking really nice. So 12.4 is here, but you can see at one point we went around 12.7. So we will see the aftermarket is still like we have 3 hours. So as long we are above this 12.14, I think that's a good thing. So tomorrow we will start from here. We might have a resistance around 13.25, but if we can break that, like today you see so many green candles, if we can break that, then definitely we will go towards $15-16. Very, very exciting. And the shorts, I think you will get a sense how many shorts we have. So you see these areas, right? So there were some shorts here, so now they have to cover. If we go here, I think around 13.5 area, there are more shorts they are waiting here. But if we can go through this resistance, the 13.25 resistance, I think the real fun will begin, because then it will easily go to $15 or $16. So currently I'm playing with call option. I had a call option, I haven't closed it yet. It will expire in June 18th. It is very close, but still I'm very bullish that tomorrow morning it will be like up already a lot. Then maybe I'll close that one. But for you, if you are planning to buy a call option, let's look at this one. This is for June. Let me refresh. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so the June 18th expiry, which has only 11 days, and look at the open interest. So there are still 14,000 call options are waiting for 15 strike, and 16,000 call options are waiting for 12 strike. My strike is 11. I'm already in the money. So if you want, you can try with the 12 strike, or you can try with the 15 strike. Look at the premium, not very expensive, but when you look at the implied volatility, it is very high. So if it comes down, you will lose a lot of money on your premium. So be careful, because it was up 32% today. If you play the call option in the correct way, you can make a lot of money, but if you're wrong, then maybe you lose some money. So if you want, you can just wait for a pullback, then you get in with a call option. But if you want more time and you want to be more conservative, I would say go with August 20th expiry date, which will give you 74 days to expire. And look at the open interest here. Also, like there are 16,000 call options waiting for strike 15. So they are predicting that this thing will go to $15. 15 plus 2.3 is 17. So the break even is $17. by August it will go there. And if you look at the chart, I think after 13 this thing can easily go to 15.88 or $16, and the all-time high is around $17. So again, call options are good. Get in, get out, make a lot of money. If you're playing with shares, then definitely not a problem. But look at the support resistance. It might come below to 12.1 or even $12 area. And if you see it comes down, and if it bounces off the $12 area, I think there's the ideal point for you. So you will know that, okay, this thing is doing good. Before I close this particular video, let me show you one last time. 4.11%, 12.41, not bad, looking really nice, and I'm so excited for tomorrow. And if you find this video useful, please click on the hit the like button, because if the video gets more like button, then YouTube algorithm will pick and more people will see this particular video. And also, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you see a dip, it comes to 12 area and bounce, then that will be a confirmation. But this is looking good. You see, once the market is done at 4 o'clock, you see huge volume came and moved this price from $12 all the way to 12.85. So very interesting. And there might be another support around 12.21 after market. So we need to see how things will play. Anyway, I try to do some pre-market videos live. So also, if you want, you can watch that, and please subscribe to my channel so that you get all the notifications when I post a video or if I go to live. Anyway, my friend, do not want to make this a long video because I have so many other ticker symbol that I want to cover today. Very exciting day. You might see my recordings are not great because I'm so happy, right? Anyway, my friend, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.